Trenton's first Halloween party in Bath at the Legion. We're going to go get a pumpkin. Come on, grab your bag. Get your bag. Come on, let's go get a pumpkin. Come on, sweetheart. Let's go. Let's go this way. Go right over here. There you go. Let's go over by the pumpkins. Go ahead. Let's go pick out a pumpkin. Come here, right here, baby. Trenton, look. Right here. Pick a pumpkin. Pick one. You like that one? That's a good one.